Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning here at the cabin. It is about 28 degrees outside, and unfortunately it's way too hot inside. It's gone down to about 78 degrees now. It was above 80 just a little bit ago. I got a couple windows open and the door cracked open. So trying to cool it down a little bit. This is what happens when you have a way too big of a wood stove for the size of building you're trying to heat. Last time I was out, I had an issue with my little cook stove here. I want to show you something. You can see it's barely wanting to light. And that is on full blast. There's barely a flame coming out. And yes, I checked the tank. It is at least half full right now. So what I did was I pulled my stove out a little bit, looked at the back, and what I think it is the hoses I'm using is too small of a diameter. It's not allowing enough gas to go through the hoses from the tank to the burners here. So I think tomorrow when I'm headed back to town, I'm going to stop off at one of the hardware stores and look to see if I can't get a bigger diameter hose to go from the tank to the stove here. I think for the rest of this winter I'm just going to have the tank sitting inside here, and then next summer I'll look into putting some hard pipe going out to the outside. That should relieve the issues also. Just a reminder, if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also give it a thumbs up, and so you don't miss any content, please make sure you hit the bell notification. Thank you. It's about 2 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. Let's go out for a little rip around the swamps and see how the snow is. Four burgers and 2 nice steaks cooking on the grill tonight. can't wait. Hamburgers and steaks tonight, and I'm gonna prepare a little salad for a side course. It's Sunday morning. It was about 58 degrees inside the cabin when I woke up this morning, and it was about 22 degrees outside. So I got a nice little fire going. And I'm basically just gonna clean up the cabin and pack everything up and head back to town. I just wanted to let everyone know it was really windy this weekend, and the metal on the backside of my cabin did not rattle or bang at all this weekend. So piling that snow up really did help. If you haven't seen that video before, jump back. I'll post it up in the corner here and you can watch it.